Hello there. Welcome to Nana's channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. I thank all my subscribers and welcome to Nana's channel again. Now, today we're going to continue with the top of this Butterick outfit, okay? So, let's start. We have a lot to do today, so hold on and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Now, as I said last week, I'm going to walk you through the pieces. So, I've done one side already, as I said, so we're going to continue. I want to finish it today, if it's possible, because I don't want to go another week for this. As I always say, the princess line always put their more curved side at the bottom, so it will be easier for you to, what do you call it, to ease it in. So I've walked you through this before, so I'm gonna go off and I'll be right back. I'm gonna finish that, press it open, and then we'll put the boning in there. Okay, so I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I put in most of the boning except one princess line, and I'm gonna walk you through that. Okay, and then you put the curve, you put it against your body. You don't put it fighting your body, but to your body curve. Okay, I'll walk you through on a mannequin, so give me a minute. Let's finish this first. Don't forget to back stitch, and don't forget your seam allowance. Look like it's going to stick in my eye. And you don't cut exactly the size of your seams. You leave it a little bit longer. So when you're getting closer to the end, you mark your seam allowance and then you trim it off like I'm doing. Okay, and now I'm going to trim it off, put a masking tape on. There we go. I think I shortened my seam allowance here. Press the foot. One more side. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And this is the right side. Okay, and I'll be right back. Whoo. Okay, I'm back. The lining is all ready for the main fabric. Okay, now I've done the ties, the neck. Okay, and it goes and then I pin one side, so I'm going to walk you through. I think I left a gap in there. Okay, it's good.